Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your avatar skin color on Roblox. Okay, here I have opened my Roblox application guys on my PC, and I'm going to go to the avatar customization, select the avatar menu right here, and then you're going to choose the customize and go to the body, and here you will see the skin option, and you'll be able to change the skin color right here. I'm going to choose this color or this one. Okay, and you can also adjust the lightness, I think, right here. And you can also use this menu to change the skin color. Just go to the skin color and you'll be able to change it. Okay, the skin will be saved automatically. Yeah, just like that. Super simple. Just go to the skin if you want to change the skin color of your Roblox avatar. Okay guys, and that's how you can change the Roblox avatar skin color. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.